If your rice has been boring lately, don't worry because today we're cooking up a classic Puerto Rican favorite, arroz con gandules, a rice that is flavorful, comforting, and easier to make than you think. You can find the link for the recipe in the info box below or at sweetysalado.com/en. To make it, we're going to heat oil over medium-high heat. You can use a caldero, a Dutch oven, or a large skillet. And then we're going to cook some bacon. Some people love to use cooked ham or pork meat, but I love to use bacon because of the flavor that it gives the rice. To this, we're going to add sofrito. I have a wonderful recipe where I show you how to make it at home, but you can also use store-bought. For flavor and color, we're going to add sazon, adobo, and a chicken bouillon. We're also going to add tomato sauce, which gives it a beautiful color and a delicious tomato flavor. We're also adding green olives, which are completely optional, but I love to add them because of the flavor they give the rice. I also use whole olives so that they're easier to pick out. To cook the rice, we're going to add plenty of water. For this recipe, we're using gandules secos, which are dry pigeon peas, very popular in Puerto Rico and very similar to a regular bean. And finally, we're going to add the rice. This is medium grain white rice that has been rinsed. Then we give it a really good stir to distribute all of the ingredients. At this point, we're going to taste the liquid for seasoning, and if we feel that it needs more salt, we can go ahead and add it to taste. We give it one final stir, then we cover, and we let it simmer until most of the liquid has been absorbed and the beans, the gandules, and the green olives rise to the top. We're going to give it a really good stir to make sure everything is well mixed. Then we cover, lower the heat to low, and we cook for 25 to 30 minutes or until all of the liquid has been absorbed and the rice is fully cooked. Then we remove it from the heat and let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then we fluff it up before we serve it. And that's how easy and simple it is to make an amazing arroz con gandules, which comes out flavorful, colorful, and absolutely delicious.